Hello there. Welcome back to Elements in Focus. We are talking today about year-end tax planning part two. Today we're going to cover more the retirement deferral strategies for year-end tax savings. For those that are new to the series or just catching on today, the first part of the series, Aaron did a phenomenal job of walking through the differences between tax planning and tax reporting and some of the elements of basic tax planning we have to understand before entering a deeper conversation. Aaron, again, today is going to walk us through part two of the series, retirement plan deferral, and other strategies we need to be thinking about as we enter into year-end tax planning. Very robust topic. For those that are looking for supplemental materials for after the discussion, the team has created other supplementary material and articles that we can read that will go and long coincide with what Aaron's going to cover today. But without further ado, Aaron, let you dive into this. So everyone, Director of Financial Planning, and Rheaume.
Thank you, Grant, and thank you, listeners, for watching. In our previous video series, we did talk about the basics of tax planning versus tax reporting. Today, we're going to cover a couple things, and as Grant mentioned, there will be an article to follow that dives a little bit deeper into some of these conversations. So things to consider prior to year end are making sure that you have maximized your retirement savings out. So if you have a 401k, making sure if you're wanting tax deferral, you can contribute up to the certain income or annual contribution limits. Currently, that's $23,000 for 24, and if you're over age 50, you can do a $7,500 catch-up. Roth IRAs versus IRAs, those conversations get into a little bit of the weeds depending on your tax situation. And if you're self-employed, you can look at SEPs, Simples, and solo 401ks. We can definitely dive deeper into those conversations. Also, prior to making sure year end, we want to look at Roth conversion. So if you've been blessed to be able to save and accumulate money over time, and you've got a lot of that money tax deferred, we want to understand what your tax situation is so that we can at least create some strategies that allow you to get money from an IRA into a Roth IRA that allows some tax-free growth and no required minimum distributions in the future. So if we're looking at your marginal tax brackets, those stair steps that we talk about, the 10, the 12, the 22, all the way up to 37%, let's say you're consistently in that 12% tax bracket and you have some room to where you can recognize income, we would want to do that in the most efficient way that we can. And that would be moving money from an IRA to a Roth IRA in the form of a conversion. And then lastly, just make sure if you have maybe a year that has irregular income, to where it's a high income earning year or a lower income earning year, to pay attention to that. And if there's ways that you can defer some of that income into the following year, maybe we need to look at some of those strategies as well. So if there's income that's really high this year, maybe from a sale of a rental property to where you're going to recognize a lot of capital gains, but you could push that off into 2025, it might make sense if it lowers the capital gain costs that you would have to pay. All of these strategies are very unique and customizable to your situation. So I would recommend, if you're going through this, to pick a great fiduciary who has a tax planning focus. Grant, I will turn it back over to you, sir, to wrap it all up.
Absolutely. And Aaron, well done. There's so much, folks, that we can really dive into, and it's hard to encapsulate every key point for year-end tax planning because there's so much that has to be considered. Aaron did a phenomenal job of wrapping that up. If you're looking for a team, as Aaron stated, that can help you walk through your year-end tax planning, please don't hesitate to give us a call. 800-928-4001. You can scan the QR code and get on either of our calendars or other team members' calendars that can have this in-depth conversation with you. Please don't hesitate to send us questions. Talk to FEG@yourlifeafterwork.com. We'd love to answer those. Thank you for your time as always. We look forward to seeing you in the next video, and God bless.